Be advised, for what you're about to see is truly unfortunate. In an IKEA, a robber quickly rushes inside with a firearm looking to steal from the place, yelling at customers and quickly jumping the counter, trying to get inside of the register. All of a sudden, as the robber continues to attempt to try and get inside of the register, an off-duty cop quickly peeks inside through the doorway and shoots at the robber, starting a big standoff between the two, with people quickly getting down and barricading their young, trying to get out of this nightmare. All of a sudden, another robber quickly is shown on screen trying to get the off-duty cop, with both the robbers and the cop using the doorway to their advantage, hiding behind it, eventually making the robbers angry, coming from behind the doorway and catching the off-duty cop off guard and tackling him on the ground, with the other robber also holding him down, making it an unfair fight with the off-duty officer not being able to do anything. All of a sudden, as it seemed like there was no hope, a good Samaritan quickly comes out of nowhere and tackles one of the criminals, allowing the off-duty cop to quickly get a hold of the situation, pinning the other robber against the wall and attempting to get his gun in a good position, with it, unfortunately, being jammed along with the criminal's guns being jammed. As they both yell at each other, the off-duty officer tries one last thing up his sleeve, rushing towards the thieves and pushing over their motorcycle, tackling them once more, and eventually making them leave on foot without their motorcycle. I'm proud of this guy's spirit, always willing to get back in the fight. Good work.